Hello everyone, my name is Brother Nick Belmonte, the newly elected Junior Warden of Joseph Ahern, Lodge number 685, Grand Register of Grand Canada in Toronto West District. I was also the past president of Filton Cableton and the current president of the One Nation Club of Toronto.
And right now, you are a very active, a retired professional engineer of Ontario from City of Toronto.
Yes, that's true.
And now the junior warden, in 2 years, he will become the worshipful master of this lodge. Congratulations, Kuya PB. All the best. And good luck in your term of office.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye.
Or speak in Bisaya. Bisaya. Ikson.
Sa akong mga pinalanggang kaigsunan, greetings sa inyo tanan from Kuya PB, Nick Belmonte, Joseph Ahern, 685.